Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your American Express business account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your American Express bank account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in americanexpress.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for American Express business login like this and hit enter, and you can see the login to my account American Express US. Click over there, and similarly over here we are on the home page of American Express. You can see currently it's the personal. Now to log into your business accounts, click on business. You can choose from over here which of these you want to log into. You can see your business cards, your corporate programs, your payment solutions. Now to log into your either of your business or your personal account, you can see the login option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click over there, and after that enter your user ID over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then select your card type, and then click on to log into your American Express business account from your computer. Or if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can see the forgot user ID or password option available over here. If you click over there, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your user ID or your password depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not yet signed up for American Express business account, you can see the create new online account over. Click over there and you'll be taken to a procedure where you can sign up for American Express business account, and you can see, and if you have already received the card from American Express, you can click over here to confirm your receivement of card. And there guys, this is how you log into your American Express business account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.